Alright, so here is the banjo part for Wabash Cannonball. This song is in D, so we're going to put our capo on the 2nd fret, and that gives us an open A chord. From our thumb string, we have A, next string down, D, E, so A, E, then A, then C sharp, and then E. So the whole thing is an A chord. This song is going to start off on the D chord there, since it's in the key of D. So pointer finger on the 1st fret on the C sharp string, and then middle finger on the 2nd fret of the E string. This gives us our D chord. Our G chord we're going to use for this song. Take your middle finger and put it on the 2nd fret of the A string, and then pointer finger on the 1st fret of the C sharp string. And this isn't a full G. A full G would look like this, but for what we're doing with the melody, just hitting those 2 strings in the center will work. Alright, so we have our D chord. Starts off, you're going to do 6 of them, and each one's going to have a long D. Okay, so let's give that a try. Playing 6 Ds. Ready, and D, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, you're going to go to that G. So shift your fingers over to the G, and you're going to do 2 of those. Alright, let's go back to the D. Doing 6 Ds, 2 Gs. Ready, and D, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Go to G. Then you're going to go to your A, which is all open. And you're going to do 6 of those, and then you're going to go back to a D for 2. Ready, and A, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Go to D. And then just loops that. So 6 Ds, 2 Gs, 6 As, 2 Ds. And it just loops that over and over. So let's try that. Ready, and D, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Go to G, 2, A, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Go to D, D, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Go to G, A, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Go to D. The B part's the same. D, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Go to D. A, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Go to D. D, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Go to D. A, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Go to D. And that's the A part and the B part put together. Alright, so as you can hear, it just loops over and over. Now I'm going to try and teach you the melody part. We might have to split this video into 2 just because of how long the melody is. But let's get started. So we're going to start off with our open A string. Try and get to where you can see both my hands. Open A string. You're going to do that 2 times. Then with your D chord already in place, you have A, then drop a string for your D, then take your middle finger off, gives you your E, and all we did was go down a string at a time. So A, down a string, D, down a string, E, then drop your middle finger down, that's your F sharp, and then reach or slide all the way down to the 5th fret, that's our A. So I'll do that again. A, open A, to G, E, F, A. Then you're going to go back to the F, and you're just going to be lifting your middle finger up and down. Going F, E, then down to the D, Remember that's what your pointer finger is on. D, and then put your middle finger down onto the 2nd fret of the A string, that's your B, and if you look, magically your fingers turned into a G chord. So starting on the F sharp, F, E, G, B. Trying it from the beginning, we have our D chord down, going A to D, E, F, A, F, E, D, B. Alright, now we're in our A chord, starting on the high string, our E string. You're going to do 4 of those, and then an F sharp, and then an E. Sounds like this. E, 2, 3, 4, F, E. Alright, after that you're going to stay on the A chord, and you're going to put your pointer finger down where the D is on the 2nd string 1st fret, so the C string 1st fret, and that gives you your D, then C, D, C, and then B, so that's your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the A string, and then your open A. And you can see I shifted my hand back to the D chord. So the whole thing, starting on our D chord, A, D, E, F, A, F, E, D, B, E, 2, 3, 4, F, E, D, C, B, A. And you can see on that A I shifted back to my D chord. Alright, then it repeats those first 3 lines, going A to D, E, F, A, F, E, D, B, E, 2, 3, 4, F, E, and then the last part changes, and it goes D, C, A, D, C, D. So that's D on the 2nd string, the C string, 1st fret, then C, it's just open, then drop up to the A string, the open A string, then middle finger on the B, and then the C sharp, and then the D again. Alright, so here's the whole A part. Ready, and A to D, E, F, A, F, E, D, B, E, F, E, D, C, B, A, D, E, F, E, D, B, E, 2, 3, 4, F, E, D, C, A, B, C, D. And luckily for us, the B part is pretty much the same. The only difference is the first 2 lines. So instead of starting on that A, you're going to start on an F sharp. So get our D chord on, starting on the F sharp, that's the highest string, 2nd fret. And you're going to play 6 of those like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you're going to open up for that E, and then the D, back to the E, to the D, to the B. Sounds like this from the beginning of that. F, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, E, D, B, B. And then everything else is the same. So it goes to the A chord, E, 2, 3, 4, F, E, D, C, B, A, D, E, F, A, F, E, D, B, E, F, E, D, C, A, B, C, D. play through the whole melody for you. I'm going to do it one time without the thumb and one time with the thumb. Sounds like this. A, D, E, F, A, F, E, F, E, D, B, E, 2, 3, 4, F, E, G, C, D, C, B, A, D, E, F, A, F, E, F, E, D, B, E, F, E, D, C, A, B, C, D, B part. F, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, E, G, B, B, E, 2, 3, 4, F, E, D, C, B, A, D, B, E, F, A, F, E, F, E, D, B, E, F, E, D, C, A, B, C, D. Here's with the thumb. B part. Alright, so good luck practicing through that.